In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the background eraser brush in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do, of course, you must have an image where you want to basically erase the background. So let's say you want to erase these clouds over here and just leave this landscape intact. So what you want to do here is actually switch the pixel up top. And then here you have this brush tool, okay? So this eraser tool, however, this background eraser brush comes in a package. So there's 3 different ones. As you can see by default, it's just this erase brush. Don't use this one. Which one you want to use is the second one called background erase brush. So click on this one over here, and then you can also, of course, adjust its size up here in the top left. So you could do however big you want it to be. Let's say for this image, that's going to be sufficient. And then you want to just zoom into the part of your image which you want to actually erase. As you can see, it's a bit big right now. So let me actually make this a bit smaller. There we go, that's going to do. And then you have to select your image. So I'm going to click on it over here, just like that. And then here, as you can see, I haven't clicked anything. It's just showing what it's going to do if I just click on here. So what I would recommend you do here to use this background eraser brush is just have like the most of your circle positioned in the background. So as you can see, if I go ahead and swipe down to the landscape, it's going to transfer over. You don't want this. You want to go to the kind of the sky over here, or to the part which you want to erase. And then you can just go click by click, just like that. See the preview, looks good, click on it, again, preview, okay, cool. And then you can just go ahead and go through. So as you can see, this appears to be very accurate. Okay, now you can then just slide over like that, and then you could go ahead and of course do this for the entire image. I'm just going to quickly go over. As you can see, I wasn't very precise over here. However, I could do that, so just wait for it perfectly. There we go. And then when it's perfect, you can of course just do this to the entire image. Now, let's say I just want to erase this bit of the sky over here. So let's just do like until here. Okay, so for this tutorial, that's going to be fine. Then when you've done this refined part over here and it looks cool, you can then just go ahead and switch over to the regular eraser here. And you could just go ahead and like fill in the rest like that without actually having to worry. You could even go ahead and make this brush a lot bigger actually, like this. And then you could just erase very quickly. And then of course, this is not important because it's not refined. So there we go, I can just erase it like that. And then again, use the detailed brush tool for this section down here. And that's pretty much how you can do that. And you've successfully erased your background with this very cool tool inside Affinity. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.